5 seconds. Rebound.
The track was fine. Yeah, the track was good. There was good competition for the race also. I came second overall in MX1 class. I had a good performance. I'm happy with myself and my riding. So yeah, I think we move on to the next one. Use this as a stepping stone. Yeah, otherwise the track was good. Fantastic. Yeah.
We have 5 seconds. Rebound.
Kenya is good, but obviously this was a difficult track for them, and Ugandans, we had home advantage. Kids are used to this track, so obviously the Kenyans would not beat us here. It was impossible, but they did good. They adapted to the track very fast. I think most of them have some podium finishes in classes, so it's good. It's CSE, a lot of countries come for it. But how I manage to perform good is that I ignore everything, I just make it seem like it's practice to me, so I don't have any distractions. Try to stay focused. Yeah.
I'm lacking a new bike. I need a new bike and some outfits. Yeah. Nenga ekituufu omutima gwongulina, I'm brave, I can ride and I don't fear any jump. Next I'm lacking a new bike. Laki emanyi yomafunye new bike. Sobela omu kwabo abogerebwako. Because I so far have some championships in Ewangudde back then. But I'm fading up because of this new bike. Because this bike is getting old and I need to change the class. Since I was in 85, now I need to go to 125, but I'm lacking a bike. And right now we are not okay. That isn't financially stable. Yeah, that's the fact. But for sure, I was once a champ. Not even once. I've been a champ for the past time. But I can race, but the fact is just lacking a new bike and okay, like some sponsorship.
Basically, I'm 125 nzabadde leading most of the times. Naye olunaku lwaliro kyekati lubadde lwaffe kubanga twazze late ne tutakola practice, naye first netutandika bulungi ne tufunamu obuzibu obumu mu heat ng'ekyo tuyise mu kisaawe twanagudde nagenza oyimukanga abagenze enesembyeyo nera biki neya tuzeewo ne tufunamu obuzibu naye tusuubira okukola obulungi mweddako.
Kagapu kagiti kagenda kagenda